Please.
We know that promised Messiah didn't perform Hajj. What was the reason for that?
The reason was the one which I am going to explain during this question.
Can I?
And it is, in short, I can tell you that who was the first man in the known history of Islam who was prevented forcibly from Hajj under the threat of murder and bloodshed. Who was the man? Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And he abstained from doing Hajj under those conditions because he knew better the will of Allah, that the Muslims only should perform Hajj when the passage is clear. During the lifetime of Hazrat Muslim alayhi salatu wasalam, his passage to Hajj was made dangerous by the mullahs themselves, who now object against him. On the one hand, they obstructed the passage. On the other hand, they said, he hasn't performed Hajj. This is the duality of the mullah. So I will not speak of it again during my answer.